Hi, I'm Rahul from Quicklert's Business Development Team. In this video, I'll walk you through the homepage of QMS, where you will be able to gain a quick overview of your Quicklert system. First, we'll take a look at the homepage and the information it provides you. Then, we'll go over a few useful shortcuts that are accessible from this page. At the top of the homepage, we have 4 indicators. These indicators include devices online, mass alerts, and messages. Below these indicators, we have the Quicklert panel. In the Quicklert panel, you can see the total number of devices and playlists on your system. We also have shortcuts to the Connect app that we will go over shortly. The final thing on the page is the Last Activity section. Here you can see the most recent alerts, messages, and other activities that have occurred. Now let's take a look at where the shortcuts on this page take you. If you'd like to quickly access your online devices, just click on the Devices Online indicator. It will take you to the Devices page of QMS with the online filter already applied. To access an unfiltered list of your devices, just click on the Devices button in the Quicklert panel. Clicking on the Messages indicator will bring you to the main feed of the Connect app. The Messages button in the Quicklert panel will also bring you to the main feed of the Quicklert Connect app. Similarly, clicking on the Mass Alerts button will bring you to the Mass Alerts page of the Connect app. And lastly, if you want to visit the product page of QMS, just click on Learn More. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.